Let's make a resin wooden tray. Here are the materials that you will need. Everything is available on our website. You can calculate the amount of resin required for the project using a resin calculator. Mix the resin and hardener in 2:1 ratio slowly and steadily so that you don't incorporate too many bubbles inside the resin. Divide the resin into smaller cups and add the pigments, mica powder, and gold flakes of your choice. Pour the colored resin into the tray for the first layer. Use a blowtorch to mix and create a good pattern, and then use a clear resin to do a second layer once the first layer is cured.